Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register yourself for the online banking account or sign up for mobile banking of Bankhometown from your mobile device. So first of all, you can use any web browser and on the address bar simply type bankhometown.com. As you can see right now, I have already open the official website. Now to enroll yourself, simply tap on the login option which is at the upper left corner of the screen. Now here, once this page opens up, scroll down and then you will see the option with enroll now. Tap on it. Now you can tap on the year option to view the agreement terms, read that and tap on the I agree option. Afterwards, you need to provide your details here. First of all, you need to provide your account number, then all of these details as well, and afterwards at the end tap on the submit option and then you need to follow the instructions till the end. So that's how you can enroll yourself or register yourself for the online banking account of Hometown Bank. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.